Hello everyone, this is Sukesh Kulkarni and you're watching Cosmic Science. Hope you're all doing well. Uh, I'm sure you're doing well. In previous videos, we have seen how kinetic energy and work energy theorem works. We have seen it. In this video, we'll see about potential energy. So, what is this potential energy? It is the energy that is possessed by a body by virtue of its position or its shape. What does this mean? The energy is an energy that is possessed. What is this energy? It is a capacity to do work. It is a capacity to do work possessed by a body by virtue of its position, where its position is, and that at that position it has some kind of energy. So capacity at certain point in the space, it has to do work. So, so let me explain you with an example. Suppose this is a rocket. Suppose this is a rocket. Suppose this is a rocket. When a rocket flies, it puts thrust. Puts thrust in this direction, force in this direction, and the displacement will be in this direction. Displacement will be in this direction. After it reaches here, this part will go down, will be cut off. So when this part is cut off here, here it will fall from above the Earth's surface, at height h. It will fall down from height h, and it will have some kind of potential energy. Here the work is done, force into displacement, work is done. So work is done, it is stored here in this portion of the rocket, and this rocket get detached and this falls down back, which means that force is stored as an energy here, and energy is again doing a work. So work, energy, and energy, work. This is the cycle of the potential energy. So this is how potential energy works. So let me give you a simple example again. Suppose a block of mass m. Suppose a block of mass m is lifted, it raised up here at height h. This we need to do work, right? We have to apply force to get here on the top, and this work done will be stored as energy here. It is this potential energy is nothing but it is not a energy in the form of motion. It is in the form of a particular position, a fixed point in space above the Earth's surface. So it is stored as here it is stored as a potential energy. So what will be the equation? Work done will be equal to force, external force dot to h. What is the displacement? H. Work done is equal to force, external force. What is the dot product of this? F dot h, cos of theta. Here, when we are lifting here, is there any angle here? No, right? So it becomes cos 0. Cos of 0. Work done is equal to force h cos of 0 is 1. What is f of e force? What is f of e? M into g. M into a actually. A is acceleration due to gravity. It is because of height from the surface of the earth. So m g h. So this is the equation for potential energy at the surface, from the surface of the earth to certain height. So in case of as I explained, a rocket moved upward with a force downward. It displaced over a distance. Its first stage gets ejected, and it is certain height. From that height, it is ejected. It means that it had energy to do work again. So it again detaches down, falls to the sea or ocean, it gets bursted. So potential energy can do work again. So this is a cycle from energy to work to energy. Work is done to lift the block, and here it is done stored as energy. And again, if you allow it to leave, again it move forward. It will again come back to its surface of the earth. From coming up, it will come down. In this region, it is doing some work. Gravitational force is acting, and it's from certain height it is falling. So again work is done. So it is a cycle of force applied and energy stored and work done, and this cycle continues. So this was about potential energy, and it's one example. There are many examples depending upon the forces which are acting on a body, and to what extent they are taken to the position or shape. It depends on. So let's see those examples in my next video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, share, like, and if you want to have some suggestions for me, please drop down in the comment box. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, stay motivated. Thank you.